Did you see the uncle syncing with the music like this? This is called auto syncing. So let's try to do it in Python. First, I'll make use of Tkinter module as you can see here. And we won't be syncing it with the music, but we'll sync it with our cursor, that is the mouse. So these two lines are the most important one. So enter bind, that is when mouse enters the window, the image should shift, and when the mouse leaves, the image should shift back. So now I added two images, and now if I run this, you can see that when I bring the mouse and take it back, it changes, shifts the image. When you bring it back, it shifts again. So this is auto syncing with the mouse. Now you can add music to this also. So let's run this. That music comes and it changes. So it syncs with the mouse. If I take out the mouse, it goes back. So that's all. I hope you understood. Follow for more funny videos like this.